Hey there, skincare enthusiasts and beauty sleepyheads. Ever wondered if your skin has a secret superhero mode that activates while you're catching those Z's? Spoiler alert, it totally does. Today, we're diving deep into the magical world of nighttime skin repair. And trust me, this is way more exciting than your regular bedtime. Okay, imagine your skin is like a tiny construction crew. During the day, they're dealing with chows, pollution, sun damage, stress, that extra large coffee you definitely needed. But at night, oh, my gosh, they go into ultimate repair mode. What actually happens while you sleep? Cell regeneration central. Your skin cells are basically tiny workers doing overtime. They're patching up damage, creating new cells, and basically giving your face a complete makeover while you're dreaming about, well, whatever awesome things you dream about. Moisture magic. Your skin's hydration levels? They're doing a happy dance at night. Your skin becomes a moisture-absorbing superhero, repairing its protective barrier and locking in all that good hydration. Collagen boost. Think of collagen as your skin's personal youth potion. At night, your body produces more of this magical protein, helping to keep you looking fresh and fabulous. The ultimate bedtime skincare ritual. Here's a step-by-step guide that'll make your skin go, thank you. Step 1. Cleanse, but make it thorough. Remove all your makeup. Use a gentle cleanser that doesn't strip your skin. Imagine you're washing away the day's drama. Step 2. Treat. Serums are like power-up potions for your skin. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, hello hydration, retinol, bye-bye fine lines, vitamin C, glowy skin. We're coming for you. Step 3. Moisturize. Lock in all those amazing ingredients. Choose a night cream that's like a cozy blanket for your face. Think thick, luxurious, but not greasy silk pillowcases. Your skin's new best friend. Stay hydrated during the day. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Your skin is begging you. Your skin's repair cycle peaks between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. So if you're a night owl, girl, change those habits. Your skin is literally scheduling its most important maintenance during these hours. Common mistakes to avoid sleeping with makeup on. Never. Using harsh products before bed. Forgetting to change your pillowcase. Remember, skincare isn't about being perfect. It's about showing your skin some love, one night at a time. Your future self will be thanking you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite nighttime skincare hack. See you in the next video, Skincare Warriors.